UnitekFiber Solution is one of the leading fiber optic products supplier in China. With spacious and advanced associated factory facility, we are engaged in continuous innovative R&D, extensive range of fiber optic products from passive to active categories for 4G and 5G, data center and cloud computing industry. Our fiber optic products include indoor and outdoor fiber optic cables, fiber optic patch cords, fiber patch panel, PLC splitter, optical transceiver. With years of experience in optical communication industry and by providing excellent quality product and profound support to the customers, UnitekFiber Solution has gained popularity in the domestic market and a great market over the USA, Middle East, Asia, Asia Pacific, Europe region, Africa, and South America. UnitekFiber Solution has an innovative R&D team, strong management team, specialized technical team, energetic sales team, and a well-trained laborers. We all work as a big family, helping and supporting each other and grow up all together with the company. In the tide of economic globalization and information interconnection, UnitekFiber are adhering to the enterprise spirit of integrity, unity, rigor, and pragmatism, constantly surpassing and making breakthroughs. With advanced technology, excellent R&D experience, and reliable products quality, the company will continue to provide a full range of supports and services to customers all over the world. We are looking forward to cooperate with you to establish a win-win business relationship